Hey, hi, how's it going? Before you click off this video, you're gonna wanna watch this all the way through if you're the person who's been posting on TikTok but has never taken a second to actually read the TikTok community guidelines. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm here to save your butt and give you the Cliff Notes version of the TikTok community guidelines. You know, the ones if you violate, you get your content removed and your account banned and all that hard work is for nothing. So you better watch this video all the way through. I'm not about to put in all this work for nothing. And also while you're here, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, let's get into this. You know, being a content creator isn't just about hitting record and hoping for the best, even though for some of you, that's probably what it feels like most of the time. I hate to burst your bubble, but there's a little bit more to it. You've got to play nice with the algorithms of the platforms that you're posting on, and TikTok is no exception. But hey, don't sweat it. I see you sweating over there. Here, I got a little towel. One sec, let's wipe that off. I got you, and I'm here to break down the community guidelines of TikTok. Thankfully, it isn't rocket science, but I'm here to tell you what you should never do on TikTok. First up on the list, threats and violence. Just like you wouldn't yell fire in a crowded theater, don't post content that promotes violence or threatens public safety. Next up, you need to steer clear of inappropriate content. You see, TikTok is like a family dinner table. No place for sexually explicit or nude content. Remember, there is a diverse crowd here, including young ones. So let's keep it clean. There's kids here. After that, you have to avoid sharing any content that showcases extreme violence or suffering. The next rule is about illegal activities. The rules apply everywhere, even on TikTok. Promoting harmful substances, illicit trade, or any other illegal activity is a big no-no. But it's not just these big violations that could lead to your account getting banned. There are some simpler ones too, like spreading misinformation or spamming content. You need to keep it real, guys. TikTok is not the place for spam, counterfeits, or fake news. And the same goes for impersonation. Especially with the rise in popularity of AI technology, let's respect each other's identities if you would like to keep posting on the platform. The next thing is blackmailing. You should never go towards doxing, hacking, or threats on TikTok. These are extremely easy ways of getting your account removed. Oh, and before I forget, there are a few things that TikTok has zero tolerance for. Any content related to child sexual abuse will lead to an automatic and permanent ban of your account. They may even block your device to prevent future accounts being created. Now, a lot of these are rules that were created when TikTok started to become popular, but guess what? TikTok has been quite busy updating its community guidelines in efforts to keep up with our rapidly evolving digital world. And I'm here to break down these new additions for you. TikTok understands that its platform is a public space where we should all feel safe and welcome. And that is why they have really bumped up their policies on harassment and bullying. Cyberstalking, sexual harassment, these behaviors are a big no thanks on TikTok. And as a general rule of thumb, let's remember to spread positivity and not negativity. Technology and creativity really go hand in hand on TikTok, especially with the rise of artificial intelligence. It's awesome, right? But there is a catch. AI can sometimes blur the line between reality and fiction, and this can pose some risks. This is where TikTok's new synthetic media policy steps in. If you are creating a video that has been manipulated with AI to look super realistic, you need to clearly flag this content by just adding a simple sticker or caption saying synthetic, not real, fake, or altered, and you're all set. One last crucial point on this. TikTok does not allow AI depictions of private citizens. Public figures are an exception, but remember, their likeness should never be used to endorse products or in a way that goes against any of the TikTok policies that we covered at the beginning of this video. That's the lowdown of the new additions to the TikTok community guidelines. The rules might seem like a lot, but they're there in effort to help create a space on TikTok where people can have fun, they can be creative, and Also respect each other. Now, we've established that TikTok has some pretty solid guidelines and they are not afraid to enforce them. A reason why a lot of you could be watching this video is because you've received a strike on your content or account and you're not sure why or what to do next. I know. Sometimes, no matter how careful you are, you can still somehow end up in hot water with TikTok. If you have just received your first violation, brace yourself for a 48-hour timeout. You will be benched from posting videos, editing your profile, and commenting on others' posts. But remember, if you have violated a zero tolerance policy, you could be looking at a permanent ban of that account and a restriction of creating any future accounts. So what can you do if you've received a strike on your content or your profile and you're pretty positive that you didn't violate any of the community guidelines? Here are a few options. Method number one, if you still have access to your account, you can go to settings and privacy located in the menu that you can get to from the three little bars in the top right-hand corner of your profile. And if you scroll down a little bit, you should see a place that will allow you to report a problem. And here you can let TikTok know what happened. You can provide pictures. You can even, I think, provide a video as well, trying to give them information about what's going on with your account. Another little bonus tip that you could also consider that a lot of people actually don't end up thinking about is deleting the video that got them in trouble in the first place to see if that gets your account back in good standings. But for quite a lot of people out there, I know that when you look at the video that you posted that got you the strike, you have no idea how it violated the community guidelines. And from what I've seen, TikTok is not always the most clear on why they gave you a violation. Another way that you can try is if you're still in that same tab of report a problem in your settings and privacy on TikTok, they actually have a specific place called account recovery. So you can go ahead and click on that and follow the instructions there. And the third method that I would like to recommend, and this is especially helpful if you cannot get into your account, which is contacting TikTok through their feedback form. I will make sure to link it in the description below, or you can go to tiktok.com/legal/report/feedback. And that's a wrap, TikTokers. Now, this is the time to spill the tea. Have you ever had a run-in with one of TikTok's rules? Let me know in the comments. If you've made it this long in the video, you have absolutely no choice but to like this video and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.